So dehydrated, don't know what to say.
Good morning, you lot. So, as you can see, we're not in the normal surroundings, we're in London. And honestly, I've just had one of the most amazing stays at that hotel that I've just shown you. That is Mason and Fifth. I'll link it in the description, so if you do need a hotel in London, it is beautiful. Like the interior, like the overall interior design, as you've just seen, is honestly insane. But yeah, we're in London. I am just heading into Central now. I'm going to meet up with a few friends, grab a few coffees, and we're going to do a little bit of shopping.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face. So dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet. Being to myself and sit in silence. Until I got a call, my friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were
Okay, so we've just received two really exciting apartment upgrades. We've got a new coffee table and a new side table. Essentially, I've been wanting to kind of add some darker tones, some darker woods to the apartment. Obviously, we have the lighter wood Tilco sideboard, but I've been really enjoying that kind of, I guess, mid-century vibe recently. So I've been wanting to add some walnut woods to the apartment, and that is what we have right here. I picked both of these up, both the coffee table and the sideboard up from H&M Home. I'll link it in the description down below. So yeah, let's open these up, put them together and see how they look. So there we have it, new coffee table, new side table, all put together, and honestly, I'm actually really happy with them. Like I said earlier, love the colour, love the unique shapes of them, but I just wasn't too sure if the coffee table would be like a bit too small. But now it's all kind of up and put together, I don't think it is. I think it's actually perfect. Okay, so busy work day today. I'm actually working with Vinted over on an Instagram campaign, which I'm super excited about. And I've already kind of planned out how I want the video to look, or how I want the reel to look. And today is going to consist of executing that filming. It's a full day of filming, and I thought I'd kind of vlog and just give you guys a little bit of a, I guess, behind the scenes look and an insight onto how I kind of create this content. As I said, I've already kind of planned out how, I want the reel to look, but some of the shots actually include like overhead or I guess kind of bird's eye view angles, if that makes sense. Now, to get this kind of shot, I have had to upgrade my tripod, but luckily Amazon have just got crazy fast delivery and it's just arrived.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get.
Okay, so I think I finally figured out how to use this friggin' tripod. But yeah, this is essentially going to be the first shot. Like I said, overhead, kind of bird's eye view. And I'm essentially going to be sat on the Togo on my laptop, and I'm going to be just searching the internet and having a look to see if I can find some, I guess, summer kind of wardrobe pickups. But the next kind of segment of the reel, it's going to be shot flat against the sideboard here, and it's pretty much going to showcase me placing each piece that I'm selling down in the middle. Now, I know that doesn't really sound that interesting, but visually, I think, fingers crossed, it's going to look pretty good. And then guys, this is going to be the final kind of angle and I guess segment of the reel. I know you guys are also on a bit of a weird angle, just ignore that for now. But essentially, we're going to be styling each piece that we're selling, showing you guys, the viewers or the buyers, how each piece looks on body. And then yeah, that is pretty much going to be the end of the reel, apart from I need to film a voiceover. But yeah, apart from that, that's essentially a little bit of a behind the scenes look at how I kind of film my campaigns. Okay then guys, so I wanted to kind of end today's video just by showcasing some of my favorite pieces that I have, I guess, kind of picked up recently. I'm not gonna, go through everything, but there is 4 or 5 pieces that I simply have to show you lot. But firstly, I just want to say thank you for all the support that you lot are showing on this kind of new style or new format of videos, the weekly visuals. The consistency is gonna get better. It's just taken me a little bit longer to get used to filming in this kind of way because yeah, it doesn't come as natural, but yeah, the plan obviously by the name is for these to be weekly. But anyway, let's get into the recent pickups, and I have to start with this shirt because I've worn it once on my story over on Instagram and you guys literally blew up my DMs asking where it is from. So it is this beauty, and this is actually from Pull & Bear. Absolutely love it, I love the color, but the main thing that kind of drew me to this was the fit, the silhouette. As you can see, super boxy, nice and wide, and it isn't too long in the body either. And on top of that, this was literally, I think this was like £29, £30, around that mark, which I think is an absolute steal. The perfect shirt for summer. Okay, I've just watched that clip back and I realized you can't even see the shirt, but I'm not gonna refilm it. So I've shuffled over, but the next piece that I wanna show you is my new favorite pants, my new favorite trousers. These are from the M&S women's section. So you guys know I still do absolutely love the wide leg women's trousers from Uniqlo. These might be my new favorites. Absolutely love them. Like I said, M&S. Now these are even wider than the Uniqlo ones. So if you are looking for, just a really standout pair of trousers, super wide, they've got a double pleat, then these are the ones for you. I think they're coming in at £45, which for a pair of trousers that literally are perfect, you can't really go wrong. Now, in terms of actual sizing, I went with a size 14, again, women's sizes, so 14 in the waist. My kind of men's waist size is around 31. The waist fits me perfect. The regular length was ever so slightly too short, and I'm 5'11". So I did go with the long length in the leg, but I'm gonna take them to the tailors and get them brought up ever so slightly, just so they fit perfect. Next, we're going into footwear, and these are the sneakers that I picked up at the start of today's vlog when I was shopping in London. So these are the Onitsuka Tiger Mexico 66s. Obviously, super out there colorway, the kind of metallic silver, which is bang on trend at the minute. A lot of people are kind of gravitating towards this color shoe. What I love about this is I feel like it is an incredible dupe for the Adidas Wales Bonner kind of collab, that metallic colorway. Obviously, that is it's completely sold out, so you need to get it at resale, super expensive. Now, I wanted to get these because, to be honest, I found myself really gravitating towards my other Onitsuka Tiger Mexico 66s recently, even more so than my Sambas, to be honest, because I feel like these aren't as saturated as the Sambas, but again, they still have that same kind of slimmer silhouette, which at the minute, I absolutely love. But I really wanted a pair that is like a super standout piece. Like, I have my Mason Margiela Tabby loafers, as you guys seen in the last video, and I kind of see those as my really kind of standout, smarter shoe, and I wanted a sneaker version of that, and obviously these being like a metallic silver colorway, I feel like these do that job perfectly. So sticking to footwear, another sneaker pickup, we have the New Balance 1906Rs, I believe, yes. Now I know I have kind of said quite a few times that I'm now really gravitating towards the slimmer sneakers as opposed to the chunkier style ones, which I definitely am, but there is still room in my rotation for at least one nice, clean, chunky sneaker. For those days where I'm wanting like a little bit more of a kind of sportswear vibe, maybe I'm wearing my like loose, Studio de Jour sweatpants. For the days when I'm wanting that kind of more sporty vibe, then these are a great option. Also, I just love the colorway, like the silver, the white, and then the pop of blue, I think is really nice. Now, the final pickup, I'm not actually sure if I've shown you guys this yet here on YouTube. I've obviously posted it over on Instagram quite a lot, and you guys are always asking where this bag is from. If I have already shown you, I do apologize, but it is this beautiful shoulder bag. So this is from Arket. It is absolutely insane. Ever since I've gotten this, I have literally not taken it off. Absolutely love it. Now, what I will say, it's definitely not the kind of cheapest bag on the market. It is, I think it's £180 or like £179, but it is genuine leather, and it's a really nice leather as well. Like, it's got a really nice grain to it, and if you guys know the COS bag that I've got a couple of them in a few different colorways, that kind of COS crossbody bag. This is a really nice size. This is bigger than those bags, so it does fit, like, you know, it would fit your camera in, it would fit your phone, your sunglasses. It fits quite a few things in. So it is slightly bigger than that previous COS one. Definitely one of my favorite recent pickups. And I just think, you know, this kind of shoulder bag is a great accessory for the summer months. Us guys, we don't really layer up. There's not, you know, it's too hot to wear multiple layers. So wide leg trousers, a lightweight slim t-shirt, this shoulder bag over the top of that, perfect outfit. And there we have it. That is today's video. It's not even, normally I'd be like, that is the recent pickups, but yeah, there's a lot more going on in the videos these days. But again, I hope you are enjoying this different format of video. A lot more work goes into filming them. It's a lot longer and harder to film, but it is the direction I want to go, and I'm absolutely loving it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely comment any kind of feedback, or if there's any other things that you'd like to see in the videos, let me know in the comments down below. And like I said, the plan is for these to be weekly. It's called weekly visuals. So yeah, the plan is for these to be weekly, and we will get there. Hopefully there'll be a new one next week. I think there is going to be, because I've got some exciting things happening this week. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys next Sunday. That's it. Peace.